Hey guys, Ride Pro back again. Another bike for sale. Here we have a 2008 Honda VTX 1800. The VTX comes in many different models. This one is the F model. Has an aftermarket bat fairing. There's nothing inside of it, no radio or anything like that. The bike's in excellent shape all the way around. Aftermarket air filter and pipes, Vance & Hines pipes. Black in color, obviously. Both tires are in good shape. I'd say they're about 60%, 70% left. Shaft drive. Excellent condition. Really nice highway bars here. I'm not quite sure how you release that. Play around with that, but that does come apart. There it is. Pretty cool. So you can flip these out if you want to put your feet out on the highway, or you can put them back in. You can still put your feet up there, but they also act as crash bars. Tank's in excellent condition. All the controls, switches, excellent condition. Well kept bike here. If you're looking for one of these, it's going to be tough to find one this clean. The front tire. Go ahead and start it up. Low miles, 3987. 3987. Sounds great. This thing's a monster. If you're interested in this bike and want to have it shipped, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Give us your zip code, we'll get you a shipping quote. Get it right to your door. You can also fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up for free and you can ride her home. More information on this bike or any other ones that we have, please check out our website, www.myridepro.com. Thanks for watching.